Yeah, I'm doing YouTube. I'm going to be playing on my Xbox One again. And here with him. I'm going to tell him that I started recording. I'll be back in a minute. Yeah. I'm going to have to adjust it. Terrible video if I don't adjust it. Okay, I'm back. I put them in a message. Just in case, I always have my emergency fries. What? I need them. I'll be right back after I'm done chewing. Okay, I'm back. I just swallowed them whole. Oh, should I beat my super brains? Nap. Not super brains.
Just ignore her completely.
Ignore. I'm going to tell him that I started because I just killed him, but he's trying to do something else. Okay, I'm back. I'm probably going to want a drink of water or something after this. My throat feels so dry. Ow. Why is it so dry? Yeah. So I'm going to be playing as the Super Brains. I don't know what I'm doing today. I'm just having some fun with my friends in the backyard. Please watch every single one of my videos if you're watching this. And yeah.
I don't know your views.
And yeah. Let's go. Okay, invite them to a game of Turf Takeover, and we'll be right back. See you. Okay, I'm back. I am going into Turf Takeover. My friend. I'm not going to give you a gamer tag because this Facebook. Okay, well, yeah, if I give you his gamer tags, his friends list is going to be kind of filled up. Maybe. Okay, we're still there. I'm playing as the... Can I play a Super Brain Chemist? I like Chemist. I played as him a lot, but he's almost 10. And then I'll have another Specialist. Hello, Imp. Where are you? Oh, it's so hard to keep up.
They're trying to capture it. No, that's not a good idea. Just throw the bait.
I can't get up there.
Do they have a Rose on their team?
40 minutes.
No. I can't get up there. Go, go, go. Wow, that's easy to get up.
What just happened?
I can't get up there. Lucky imp. Got him. Who cares that you got kicked out of the game? Okay, well, that solves that. Ow. Okay, I'm gonna go in. Wow, that was bad. So I'm gonna skip till I respawn. Bye bye. Let's retry. Let's just go. Let's just go. Go! Oh my god, I wish we knew jump cuts when we were doing some of our better videos. No, I don't like that sound. I love the sound of getting people killed and murdered. I'm just kidding. Dang it, discoed. I got disco chomped. Oh my god, that guy is so rare. Disco chomp. Legendary. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure though. I think him and computer scientists are legendaries. I don't know. In the comments below, tell me. Please like and subscribe because I'm Mario. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, well, same exact time. Let's go. Wow. Just wow. Okay, well, he's dead. Let me find some more action. Yes, level 10. Well, I'm going to be leveling this guy up, so I'll see you in the backyard battleground. Yeah, I'm going to promote him to specialist, if that's not what you think. Stop talking about psychos. Okay, yeah, I'm going. See you there. I just like talking. Wait, what's that over there? Da 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 da. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Okay, well, I'm here. I'm not sure if you could see me, but if you did, then leave it in the comments below. I don't know. Tell me anything. Tell me everything about your life. Where you were born, where you live, so I can go and kill you. Yeah, I'm just kidding. Yeah, this be murder. Yeah, I'm a specialist. I'm a specialist. Ooh, should I do a pack opening? I can do a mini pack opening. Hey. Okay, I don't think anyone wants to watch me do a mini pack opening. I don't even have enough to buy anything, but I'll just buy a few of these. And these give you stickers. Please give me a sticker to Cosmic Brains. Piece to him. Maybe you want another piece to him. Wait, no. I almost clicked on that. Yep, I want that. Oh, that pack was sucked. That pack sucks. No. I have 13. I'm trying to save up so I can mark the trial room. BBQ Gorn! Yay! I have BBQ Gorn. I already have the Hero Showcase, but who gives a crap? Yay! I already had Hero Showcase, but I didn't want to do that. So yeah, I have BBQ Corn. I just want to test them out a few times. A lot of you probably have this as a Hero Showcase if you got the game on Christmas. Maybe even all of you. Probably not all of you. This guy is a really cool showcase. And I finally got the real guy. Yeah!
I purposely let them capture that because I want to get my coins. Like, did you see me walk? Oh, okay, did you leave? Yeah, why do you keep leaving?
Do it! I love this game.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna.
Yeah, I was playing alone.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! I got good characters.
Is that still with you, or did he just leave?
Okay, well.
No, he has been leaving. He's been gone.
Hold on a second.
But I thought he was in the game.
The good part is when you're playing Plants vs. Zombies Garden Warfare, you always get savaged by a freaking idiot. No, I'm just kidding. Maybe. Probably. Maybe not. I don't know. Maybe a little bit realistic there. Haha! I jumped over you. Now how do you feel? Die, die, die! Die, 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 die. Die! Die! I already had him, but who cares? Now I have to reel him. Yeah. I wanted cosmic brains though. Okay, well, I might want to end it here so you don't see a million fails. So yeah, bye. Okay, I'm about to fail. Yeah. Okay, yeah, I failed. I just wanted to do that. Okay, well, I think, was that enough for this video? I'm not sure, but yeah. Please subscribe. Tell me what character I should play as next time. People are telling me to play as the Centurion. Yeah, people told me to play as the Centurion. I don't know if I can get it all on the camera. Let's see, but yeah. Like and subscribe or else I'll kill you. I'm just kidding. Yeah, seriously, I'm just kidding. Don't sue me.